Welcome to today's tutorial on mastering the art of object removal in Photoshop. Okay, to get started, I just had this picture open in Photoshop and I would like to remove the person on the left. Let's start with the easiest way to remove something. First, you will need to select the lasso tool and then roll it trace around the object or person you would like to remove. After selection, you go edit, then fill settings. It should already be set to content aware, but you might need to check color adaptation to get a more accurate result. And now when I hit OK, it will simply remove the object from my background. Second way for remove objects. First, you will need to select the patch tool. You can also get out the patch tool by just tapping the J key on your keyboard. Then draw around the thing you would like to remove. Now you can drag your selection to sample a different part of the image to replace with the current part. This technique works really well when you have a repeatable pattern in the background or a lot of the same kind of objects to sample from. Alright, this looks good. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep experimenting and refining your skills. Stay tuned for more exciting Photoshop tutorials and happy editing.